Anushka. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal. Today I'm not in the studio. I'm in Hassan right now, where JDS is celebrating their 25th anniversary, that is their silver jubilee. And the celebration was not something small, it was way bigger. We must say that as you can see right now, the whole public is going out, but in the morning it was more than a lakh. Yeah, you heard it right, more than a lakh people had attended this silver jubilee. And let me tell you one thing, they didn't come for anything. They just came out of love, out of passion towards JDS. Let me tell you that once again, that they came for that love and passion towards JDS to see HD Deve Gowda a glimpse. And these all Karyakartas were telling that they were all waiting eagerly to see HD Deve Gowda. And even the women, people, despite the age limit, they all came in and were waiting for HD Deve Gowda to just come and listen to his words. Let me tell you, HD Deve Gowda, Kumaraswamy, Revantanna, Nikhil Kumaraswamy, all were there. And all of them had the same thing. They all wished and congratulated their Karyakarta. They said it's not their thing, it's all their Karyakarta's love that made JDS 25-year-old today. And none other than Kumaraswamy sir, he was with full love, he was congratulating his Karyakartas, telling and thanking them that they made JDS this strong. Let me tell you, HD Deve Gowda, former Prime Minister, was there. He is currently under medical treatment. Still at the age of 94, he came up just to show the dedication he has towards his political party. And then he spoke about how JDS needs to come up and help the people of Karnataka. And he asked the Karyakartas to support him to come up in Karnataka and let them help the people. Let me tell you, the Karyakarta came all over from Karnataka. Despite the distance, they all came united and sat there, listened to their leaders with full love and passion over here. Nikhil Kumaraswamy, who is a youth icon, people love him like anything, were praising him for his words and passion. He was there, he was praising HD Deve Gowda, his contribution towards Karnataka, and HD Deve Gowda was praising NDA Alliance. He was asking people to support NDA Alliance so that they can work even more better for Karnataka. Janata Dal Secular, it's people's party. People say it's our party. It was formed in 1999 by the former Prime Minister HD Deve Gowda. And with the smaller parties gathered, he created this in 1999. And now, today, when we are standing at Hassan, it's 25 years old today. It's a silver jubilee they are celebrating with all the love and passion. Let me tell you, HD Deve Gowda is the former Prime Minister of our country, and he formed this party, not in just Karnataka, but in Kerala as well as Arunachal Pradesh as well. There he formed this so that he can do development for the people. He say they all are his people, none other than like our HD Deve Gowda. He always say that these people are our people, and he has always worked hard for them. Not just him, his Karyakartas, everybody in the party has the same ideology to work for the people, because this party is known as Janata's party, people's party this is known as. And let me tell you, today when they were telling many other political parties want JDS to wash out from Karnataka, but the Karyakartas are saying we won't let others do that. We will stand strong with Deve Gowda ji, and they will work for JDS and make sure that next CM is Kumaraswamy. So that is there inside. Let me take you inside and let me show you what all happening around. HD Deve Gowda, he always says that I have born for farmers, I lived for farmers, and now I'm going to die for farmers as well. Because he's a farmer's son and he understands the pain what a farmers go through, like what a farmer goes through for his livelihood. And let me tell you, HD Kumaraswamy, when he was the Chief Minister of Karnataka, he actually helped the farmers a lot. He actually led off all the depths of farmers at that point, which actually mean that they just won't speak, they actually does work. They show their people that how much they love through their actions, not just by words. They doesn't come just like that. They doesn't stand on the stage and just speak whatever they like. They speak what they can do, and whatever they does is for the people of Karnataka. They've always lived this thing that they've always said, even today when they were telling, when Kumaraswamy was delivering his speech, he was telling that there is more to do for the people of Karnataka. There's more to do for the people of our nation. That was his thought. They are still in that thought ki it's not enough that what is still they are getting, the people of Karnataka is not enough. They need more. They need more development. We need to make sure that the people of Karnataka, our people, that's what his words were, our people must get the things that others are getting. From today's occasion or the event, we can say there were more than 1,000 security. There were tight security for the people itself. That's what JDS always make sure that their people are secure or not. And today there were more than 1,000 of securities were there just to make sure that the whole event goes smoothly, so that every JDS Karyakarta is okay and they are enjoying the event. Let me tell you, there were also this thing when HD Devegowda ji came in, and when he started speaking, let me remind you, he was a 94-year-old person who is under the treatment. Still, he's coming to such a big event, sitting for like 2 to 3 hours in this stage, in this condition, and then speaking for 40 to 45 minutes, and with every single clarity. And his clarity was that he makes sure that his karyakartas be okay, and another thing that he can do whatever till his last breath. He can do whatever he wants to do for his people, and he makes sure that whatever the other political parties are saying, that let us wash off JDS, but his karyakartas won't let him do that, because they know, they have faith in JDS. Because today's, when we see the crowd here, we can see that how people still love JDS, how they support JDS, how they are passionate about JDS. Because again, I'm telling you, Janata Dal Secular is a people's party. It's not just by words, it's by action proved. So that was from JDS 25th anniversary from Hassan. We, the people of KTV India, congratulate them for their 25th journey. 25th year of journey has come to the light today, and all the best for their future, that whatever great things they want to do for Karnataka, may they can do that near future very soon. So that was me, Varsha Venugopal, with cameraman Kirtan Reddy. Keep watching KTV India.